Okay, how's it going everybody? In this video, we're going to answer the question how to find duplicate records based on multiple columns in Excel. Our datasheet that we're going to be working with was introduced in the introductory video of this tutorial series. A link to that video will be below in the description of this video. Again, our datasheet consists of approximately 90,000 product-related adverse events. I've cherry-picked some records here to demonstrate the characteristics of our data sheet. So our data sheet uniquely identifies an individual by their product report number, and these individuals, there was an outcome reported for each of these individuals. For the individual in blue, we have a life-threatening disability. And we have certain products that were suspected to be the cause of the outcome. Most of our records in our datasheet follow this pattern in blue, but there is some records in our datasheet that follow the pattern in yellow, where by chance or by some error there is duplicate records. The only difference is that the outcome, the symptoms that the record was recorded with, there is a difference in the ordering of symptoms, but practically there's still the exact same record. So we want to remove records in yellow, and we're going to show how to do that. We're going to follow these series of steps. So the first step is you want to create a filter column. I've done this here. You want to start with the concat function, and you want to enter a pattern where you enter your column with relative reference and then an underscore followed by, again, your column that you're interested in. So we've chosen a report number, the product, and the gender to categorize a unique value. So once that's entered, just drag down that formula to the bottom of the data sheet. And then we're going to create a new column that's going to reference this filter column using the countifs function. So we want to reference the newly created column. Press F4 to lock and reference the cell relatively. And so this in effect is telling Excel to look through the list that we've created and count the number of occurrences of that string. So once again, drag down that formula. Now that we've done that, we want to use the filter. You'll be able to find the filter in the data tab. So you want to click on the filter and head over to the frequency that we've just created. Hit the small icon for the filter, uncheck 1 and check mark 2, exit the filter. And so that was how you find duplicate records based on multiple columns in Excel. See you guys in the next video. Later.